Hi everyone! Come inside. I have a special surprise for you. It's me, Ellie Sparkles, and I'm building one of my coolest inventions ever. Can you pass me the saw, please? Okay, we're getting really close. Just one more piece. Let's use our screwdriver. And now, some paint. And it's finally done! Whoa! Okay, boys and girls, press the thumbs up button if you want to see what I built. Our very own LOL rocket ship! Before we take off, our rocket ship needs some rocket fuel. Fill it up, VR cutie! We'll need a full tank of rocket fuel if we want to fly to outer space. All set! Now, where are my astronauts? Okay, astronauts, the rocket ship is ready. Are you? Up you go! Take a seat inside the rocket ship and get ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1, blast off! There they go! Have an awesome trip! Wow! The spaceship really made it to outer space! And now, it's time to start exploring! Alright, LOL friends. I think I saw a planet over here. Let's go! We're getting really close. Hurry up, astronauts! Okay, boys and girls, do you know what planet this is? We made it! We landed on the planet Saturn. Good thing Madam Queen brought her jetpack. Hey, wait! Do you hear that? It's an alien from Saturn. An LOL alien. This was the best outer space adventure ever. Are you ready for more LOL fun? Hi everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles. And welcome to the LOL Surprise Circus! Say hello to our friend Cheeky Babe on a big swing! Okay everyone, give me a big thumbs up if you want to see Cheeky Babe fly! Nice! What an awesome trick! But I don't think she's finished! Whoa! Perfect landing! This is the coolest circus car ever! And now for our next performer, here's Showgirl and her magic LOL merry-go-round. Round and round they go! I just hope they're not getting dizzy! Are you ready for more? Okay, next up is our friend VR Cutie and her giant confetti pop Ferris wheel. Awesome job, VR Cutie! But is everyone ready for our greatest circus act ever? Okay, touchdown! Are you ready for blast off? Oh my goodness! That's amazing! Now that's what I call a touchdown! But we're not done yet! It's time for the LOL Circus Parade! Our circus animals even made it! You better hurry, Dawn! And we can't have a circus without a circus tiger! Through the hoop you go, Mr. Tiger! Thank you! Thank you! I hope you had fun at the LOL circus with me, Ellie Sparkles. And are you ready for another adventure? Let's go! Hi everyone, it's me, Princess Ellie Sparkles. And I have a surprise for my baby brother, the Prince! A shiny new car! Ah, I think the Prince likes it. Okay, Prince, are you ready to sit inside the car? Hey, wait! You're only a baby. You can't drive the car until you're bigger. Here, let me show you how to play with our new car. Okay, stay right there and be a nice baby. I'm going to drive nice and slow. Whoa! Hey, how do I make this car go slower? Oh no! Now I'm going backwards. And now forwards again. Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. Hey, look! It's the Prince's pet slime. Maybe he can help the car stop. Oh no! He's making the car go even faster. The Prince and his pet slime are having so much fun. But what are they up to now? Uh-oh, what did you do this time, baby brother? Our new car is stuck in all this icky mud. Only a superhero is strong enough to push this car. Someone like Superhero Ellie Sparkles. Don't worry, baby brother. I'll use my superpowers to save the day. Hello, boys and girls! Today is my little brother's birthday. And to celebrate, we're going to have a magic show with me, Magician Ellie Sparkles. Thank you! Thank you! The baby prince and his friends can't wait to start the show. So let's get started. For my first trick, I'm going to take this egg and... Hey! Oh no! Look at this icky egg now! What happened to the other half? Oh, brother! Okay, I can't do the egg trick, but don't worry, Magician Ellie Sparkles has lots of tricks to show you. This looks like an empty black hat, but when I say the magic words, banana sparkles, we find, ta-da! A cute bunny rabbit! Huh? Yikes! How did he get in there? I have another trick to show you. First, let's put one magic egg into the hat and a second magic egg into another hat. And now I need some help. Red Blob, do you think you can help me with my magic trick? Okay, hop on in. Now, since it's Prince's birthday, we're going to play a game with him. Prince, can you guess which hat the red blob is in? This one? Let's see if you're right. No, sorry, Prince. This hat is empty. Let's try again. Make sure you watch the hats closely. The last one? The red blob isn't in this hat. We found an LOL surprise. It's Rocker. How cool! The red blob isn't in this hat either. But here he is. Ta-da! Good job, everyone! I'm so happy that my magic trick finally worked. I had so much fun at today's magic show. This is Magician Ellie Sparkles. See you next time!